Does Venti's burst summon a black hole? Think about it for a second. Have you noticed the odd black sphere that appears in the background whenever Venti unleashes Wind's Grand Ode? Could the Amino Archon really be so powerful that he can whip up a cosmic phenomenon just to beat up a few hilly curls and the occasional Fatui soldier? Well, to answer that, we first need to understand what is a black hole. A black hole is an astronomical object with a gravitational pull so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape it. Black holes come from stars, kinda like a final mega evolution, but not every star has what it takes to become a black hole. No, black holes are only formed when stars with about 20 to 25 times the mass of our sun die. And by that, I mean they collapse under their own gravity, causing a supernova explosion. Now, looking back at Venti's burst, we notice how enemies get sucked towards the black sphere, almost like the gravity of the black sphere is keeping them pinned in place. It's important to note that black holes don't really suck anything in, they just have a gravitational pull, much like our sun has on the Earth. And much like how getting too close to the sun, not like Icarus, but I mean literally getting too close to the sun, will burn an object, getting too close to a black hole, called crossing the event horizon, will trap you inside it. Well, that kind of looks like what's happening here, right? But wait, I hear you type. If black holes are made from stars, shouldn't they be bigger than this? No, actually, there's 5 different size classifications for black holes. 6 if you count the hypothetical ones, with the smallest being stellar black holes with a 30-kilometer radius, and micro black holes with a radius reaching up to 0.1 millimeter. So theoretically, a black hole with a radius of 3 hilly curls can exist. So that's it, case closed. Next video should answer how he's causing all these stars to collapse, right? Well, not exact. See, if a black hole were to appear on Teyvat, even one as small as Venti's, then it would cause any and everything to be pulled towards it. As they get closer, they'd begin to experience extreme tidal forces, which are differences in gravity between one side of their body and the other, also known as spaghettification, a real term that describes what happens when matter gets too close to a black hole. It's squeezed horizontally and stretched vertically, resembling a noodle. Teyvat itself would collapse, and whatever debris is left would create an acceleration disk, gradually losing its mass over time as they accelerate closer and closer to the black hole. So no, since Teyvat is still very much intact, at least until the Heavenly Principles wakes up or we get a 5th Descender, and he isn't creating a black hole. Instead, it's likely he's just creating a vortex, and the black sphere is a visual representation of the center. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which character we should dissect next.